ठीक है. So waterfall model has the 5 layers. ठीक है. Communication, planning, modeling, construction and deployment. ठीक है. So here the in communication, project initiation and the requirement gathering takes place, then estimating, scheduling, tracking, then analysis, design, it will happens in the modeling, then construction, then deployment, ठीक है, deployment, delivery support, etc. So basically waterfall model. Okay, so this is the communication, planning, modeling, construction and the deployment. ठीक आहे. मग कम्युनिकेशन मध्ये काय काय येतं बघा, प्रोजेक्टचं इनिशिएशन येतं, रिक्वायरमेंट गॅदरिंग येतात, इटसेट्रा. ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट वन इट इज द प्लॅनिंग फेज. मग प्लॅनिंग मध्ये काय येईल, एस्टिमेटिंग, शेड्युलिंग अँड द ट्रॅकिंग. नेक्स्ट वन इट इज द मॉडेलिंग. मॉडेलिंग गिव्स यू अनालिसिस अँड डिझाइन. नेक्स्ट वन इट इज कंस्ट्रक्शन अँड द टेस्ट, डिप्लॉयमेंट. ठीक आहे. कंस्ट्रक्शन, टेस्टिंग अँड डिप्लॉयमेंट. ठीक है. तो this model was proposed by the scientist Winston. Waterfall model. ठीक है. This model it is produced. ठीक है. This model, waterfall model, it is proposed by the scientist Winston Royke. So it is also called as the class life cycle model. वॉटरफॉल मॉडेल. ठीक आहे. सो हिअर वॉटरफॉल मॉडेलचं काय दिलेलं आहे, डिस्क्रिप्शन दिलेलं आहे. ठीक आहे. वॉटरफॉल मॉडेल इट इज द फर्स्ट प्रोसेस मॉडेल that was introduced, and second one it is that it also referred to as the linear sequential life cycle model. ठीक आहे. linear sequential life cycle model. नेक्स्ट वन इट इज दॅट इट इज व्हेरी सिम्पल टू अंडरस्टँड अँड द यूज. ठीक आहे. वॉटरफॉल मॉडेल जे आहे ते काय आहे, इझी टू अंडरस्टँड अँड यूज आहे. नेक्स्ट वन it is that it is a waterfall model. Here it is the model, it is in each phase must be completed fully before the next phases can be begin. So this type of model is basically used for the project which is small and there are no uncertain requirements. So at the end of each phase the review takes place. ठीक आहे. प्रत्येक फेजच्या नंतर काय होतं, का एक एक रिव्ह्यू काय होतो, इट विल टेक्स प्लेस द रिव्ह्यू बाय वन. ठीक आहे. सो हिअर this is the in this process the testing starts only after the development which is completed. ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट वन इट इज दॅट in waterfall model phases do not overlap with each other. ठीक आहे. वॉटरफॉल मॉडेल मध्ये ज्या फेजेस आहे त्या काय होत नाही, एक दुसऱ्यांवर ओव्हरलॅप होत नाही. ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट वन इट इज दॅट कम्युनिकेशन. ठीक आहे. सो दिस इज द सेकंड कम्युनिकेशन. म्हणजे वॉटरफॉलच्या ह्या ज्या लेयर्स आहे त्या आपल्याला वन बाय वन बघायच्या आहे. सो व्हेरी फर्स्ट वन इट इज द कम्युनिकेशन. ठीक आहे. कम्युनिकेशन इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट वन. So here communication it is a major task in the requirement gathering which helps to find out the exact need of the customer. ठीक आहे. कस्टमरचा एक्झॅक्ट नीड काय आहे तर त्या बघण्यासाठी तुम्हाला काय करावं लागणार आहे, आधी अनालिसिस करावं लागणार आहे. दॅट इज कम्युनिकेशन. ठीक आहे. सो हिअर communication takes place in the preliminary investigation. So so basically here requirement analysis takes place. Next one it is that the second it is planning. ठीक आहे. मग प्रॉपर प्लॅनिंग तुम्हाला ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ इच फेज. ठीक आहे. मग प्रत्येक फेजचं ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन जे आहे ते तुम्हाला इथं करावं लागणार आहे. सो इट इन्क्लूड सम मेजर ऍक्टिव्हिटीज सच ॲज प्लॅनिंग फॉर द शेड्यूल टास्क, then tracks on the process and estimation related to the project. ठीक है. estimation related project. Next one it is that this is the modeling. Brief description of each phase it is given. Deliverables, deployment, ready software. Modeling which is used to analyze the data and as per the analysis of the data the process will be designed. ठीक आहे. अनालिसिस जे आहे प्रोजेक्टचं अनालिसिस केल्यानंतर डेटा काय होतो, डिझाईन केला जातो. सो मॉडेलिंग it is used to analyze the data and as per the analysis of the data and the process will be design. ठीक है, analysis of the process will be design. This will happen inside the planning part. ठीक है, so it includes some major activities such as planning for the scheduled task, then tracks on the process and estimation related to the project. ठीक है, now next one it is that modeling. ठीक है, modeling, so brief description of each phase it is given. So deliverables are deployment ready software. So modeling is used to analyze the data, and as per the analysis of the data and the process will be designed. ठीक है, next one it is that this is the construction. So brief description of each phase it is given. So construction is based on the design of the project. According to the design of the project, coding and testing is done. ठीक है, so as per the according to the design of the project, coding and testing is to be done. ठीक है, मग construction काय होतं, construction it is based on the design of the project. So according to the design of the project, coding and testing will be takes place. ठीक है, coding and design will be takes place. Next one it is the deployment step. So brief description of each phase it is given, that is deployment phase. So the product, ठीक है, the product is actually deliverable, that is installed at the customer site. So as well as the feedback is taken from the customer to ensure the quality of the product. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे क्वालिटी ऑफ प्रोडक्ट एन्श्युअर करण्यासाठी काय केलं जातं, so the quality product. ठीक आहे, to ensure the quality product, the product has been it has been delivered. So the product is actually deliverable, that is installed at the customer site, as well as the feedback it is taken from the customer to ensure the quality of the product. ठीक है, to ensure the quality of the product is actually delivered, that is installed at the customer site. ठीक है, as well as the feedback which is taken from the customer to ensure the quality of the product. ठीक आहे, क्वालिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट एन्श्युअर करण्यासाठी डेप्लॉयमेंटचा काय होतो, यूज होतो. ठीक आहे, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इट इज दॅट when to use, requirements of the complete system are clearly defined and understood. Next one it is that major requirements must be defined. There is a need to get a product to the market early. So next one it is that a new technology is being used. Next one it is resources with the needed skills set are not available. So there are high risk features and the goals also. ठीक है, so there are high risk features and goals. Next one it is that resources with needed skills set are not available. The new technology is being used. Then there is a need to get the product to the market early. Then major requirements must be defined. Then requirements of the complete system are clearly defined and understood. ठीक है, now next one it is that advantages of the waterfall model. ठीक है, advantages of the waterfall model. So this model are a simple model and it is easy to understand. ठीक आहे, तर हे जे मॉडेल आहे ते काय आहे, इझी आहे. वॉटरफॉल मॉडेलचे ऍडव्हान्टेजेस दिलेले आहेत. सो हिअर advantage is that it defines very first software development process. ठीक आहे, so this model it is very easy to understand. ठीक आहे, वॉटरफॉल मॉडेल जे आहे ते काय इझी टू अंडरस्टँड मॉडेल आहे. नेक्स्ट वन इट इज दॅट इट इज इझी टू मॅनेज ड्यू टू द रिजिडिटी ऑफ द मॉडेल. ठीक आहे, इट इज इझी टू मॅनेज ड्यू टू द रिजिडिटी ऑफ द मॉडेल. So each phase has specific deliverables and review process. So in this model, the phases, processes, and the completed one at the as the time passes. So phases do not overlap with each other. Next one it is that waterfall model. It converts a well smaller projects where the requirements are very well understood. Okay, so waterfall model works very well for the similar projects where the requirements are very much understood. ठीक आहे, नेक्स्ट वन इट इज दॅट डिसएडव्हान्टेजेस ऑफ द वॉटरफॉल मॉडेल. ठीक आहे, मग डिसएडव्हान्टेजेस मध्ये काय आहे बघा. सो बेसिकली हिअर इट इज गिवन दॅट ठीक आहे, इट इज गिवन दॅट प्लीज म्यूट युअर माइक अँड ॲज वेल ॲज टर्न ऑफ युअर व्हिडिओज. ठीक आहे, लेक्चर मध्ये कुठलाही डिस्टर्बन्स होणार नाही याची काळजी घ्यायची सगळ्यांनी. ठीक आहे. सो हाय अमाउंट ऑफ रिस्क अँड अनसर्टनिटी. ठीक आहे. इन द waterfall model there is a high amount of the risk and uncertainty is there. So next one it is that no working software it is produced until the late during life cycle. ठीक है. No working software it is produced until the late during life cycle. Next one it is that high amount of risk and uncertainty, then major design problems may not be detected early. Next one it is that the model implies that once product is finished everything else will be maintenance. ठीक है. Everything else is maintenance. Now this is the incremental process model. ठीक है. इन्क्रीमेंटल प्रोसेस मॉडेल. मग प्रोसेसचं इन्क्रीमेंट कसं होतं बघा. दिस इज द फंक्शनॅलिटी, दिस इज द टाइम. ठीक आहे. फंक्शनॅलिटी वर्सेस द टाइम. दिस इज सीपीएम सीडी, देन सीपीएम सीडी. ठीक आहे. कम्युनिकेशन, प्लॅनिंग, मॉडेलिंग, कन्स्ट्रक्शन अँड डिप्लॉयमेंट. अशा पद्धतीने लेयर्स असतात ह्या. ठीक आहे. सो इन्क्रीमेंटल प्रोसेस मॉडेल त्याच्यामध्ये ह्या लेयर्स असतात. ठीक आहे. सो दीज आर द डिफरंट लेयर्स. मग एक इन्क्रीमेंट काय होत जातं, वाढत जातं. दिस इज सीपीएम सीडी. दिले बघा. सी मध्ये कम्युनिकेशन, पी फॉर प्लॅनिंग, एम फॉर मॉडेलिंग, सी फॉर कन्स्ट्रक्शन अँड डी फॉर डिप्लॉयमेंट. ठीक आहे. So next one it is that given that delivers the software in small but usable pieces. So each piece builds on pieces already delivered. ठीक है. So here each piece builds on the pieces already which is deliverable. ठीक है. Next one it is that incremental process model. ठीक आहे. incremental process model मध्ये काय असतं बघा. This combines the elements of waterfall model applied in parallel process flows. ठीक आहे. So incremental process model, this combines the elements of the waterfall models applied in the parallel process flows. So each linear sequence produce that is deliverable increments of the software product. Next one it is that it produces the software product as a series of increments or release. So when an incremental model is used for the first time, first increment is often a core product. ठीक आहे. फर्स्ट इन्क्रीमेंट काय असणार आहे, इट विल बी ऑलवेज द कोर प्रोडक्ट दॅट इज द बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट. ठीक आहे. सो वेन इन्क्रीमेंटल मॉडेल इज यूज फर्स्ट इन्क्रीमेंट इट इज often the core product and the basic requirement. Okay. Next one it is that the core product is used by the customer. So as a result it uses the plan which is developed for the next increment. Next one it is that this process is repeated following for the delivery of each increment. So until the complete product it is produced. Okay. For example, word processing software it is developed using the incremental paradigm. Then second one it is that then in first basic file management, editing and document production functions are delivered. Then in second it is given that more sophisticated editing and document production capabilities are delivered. In third, spelling and grammar checking functions are delivered. And in last, advanced web page layout capabilities functions are delivered. ठीक है. So deliver. Now next one it is the advantages. ठीक है. Advantages are there. So customer gets the usable functionality earlier than with the waterfall. Then early feedback, it improves the likelihood of producing a product that satisfies the customer. Next one it is that the quality of the final product it is better. ठीक है. फायनल प्रोडक्टची जी क्वालिटी आहे दॅट इज बेटर वन. सो द कोर फंक्शनॅलिटी इज डेव्हलप अर्ली अँड टेस्टेड मल्टिपल टाइम्स सो ड्युरिंग each release. Next one it is that only a relatively small amount of the functionality added in each release, so it is easier to get it right and test it thoroughly. ठीक आहे. सो तुम्ही काय करणार आहे, थरोली टेस्ट करणार आहे. नेक्स्ट वन इट इज दॅट डिटेक्ट द डिझाईन प्रॉब्लेम्स अर्ली अँड इट गेट्स अ चान्स टू redesign. ठीक है. So advantages are of this type. ठीक है. Customer gets the usable customer gets the early than with the waterfall model. ठीक है. So early feedback improves the likelihood ठीक है of the producing the software product. The quality of the final product it is better. So the core functionality of develop earlier and tested the multiple formats. ठीक है. Now next one it is that द डिसएडव्हान्टेजेस ऑफ द इन्क्रिमेंटल मॉडेल. मग इन्क्रिमेंटल मॉडेलचे काय आहे, काही डिसएडव्हान्टेजेस आहे तर काही ड्रॉबॅक्स पण आहेत. ठीक आहे. तो इन्क्रिमेंटल मॉडेल चे काय काय डिसएडव्हान्टेजेस आहे बघा. नीड द गुड प्लॅनिंग अँड डिझाईन. ठीक आहे. सो इन्क्रिमेंटल मॉडेल मध्ये तुम्हाला प्लॅनिंग आणि डिझायनिंग जी आहे ती कम्प्लिटली करावी लागते. सो नीड्स अ क्लिअर अँड कम्प्लीट डेफिनेशन ऑफ द होल सिस्टीम before it can be broken down and built incrementally. So the total cost it is higher than the waterfall model. ठीक है. So total cost it is higher than the waterfall model. Now next one it is that waterfall model versus the incremental model. ठीक है. So very first one it is that when there is a need to make well defined adaptations and the enhancement to existing system and product definition is stable, waterfall model is used. Next one it is that incremental model. So when there is a need to improve the limited set of functionality to the users quickly and then refine and expand on their functionality in later software releases, incremental approaches which is used. Second one it is that it requires well understanding of the requirements and the familiar technology. In incremental model, requirement of the complete system are clearly defined and understood. Next one it is that sequential in nature. Waterfall model it is sequential in nature, while as uh, uh, that is incremental in the nature. ठीक आहे. म्हणजे इन्क्रिमेंटल मॉडेल मध्ये पण इन्क्रिमेंट्स होतात आणि सिक्वेन्शियल इथं काय आहे, सिक्वेन्शियल इन नेचर म्हणजे 1 by 1 येते आणि इकडे इन्क्रिमेंटल मॉडेल मध्ये काय आहे, इन्क्रिमेंटल मॉडेल इट इज इन द नेचर. ठीक आहे. इट इज इन्क्रिमेंटल इन नेचर, इट इज सिक्वेन्शियल इन नेचर. ठीक आहे. वॉटरफॉल मॉडेल सिक्वेन्शियल आहे आणि हे इन्क्रिमेंटल इन नेचर आहे म्हणून त्याचं नाव काय आहे, इन्क्रिमेंटल मॉडेल आहे. नेक्स्ट वन इट इज दॅट डिफिकल्ट टू अकोमोडेट द चेंजेस which are after process has been started. ठीक है. Next one it is that in incremental model changes can be accommodated when the planning for the next increment takes place. Next one it is that process can be identified at the end which may cause the failure to the product. Next one it is that in incremental model the risk can be identified. ठीक है. रिस्क काय होऊ शकते, आयडेंटिफाइड होऊ शकते in each increment plan. ठीक है. So risk can be identified in each incremental plan. Next one it is that customer can see the working model of the project at the end. ठीक है. customer जे ठीक है at the end the customer can see the working model of the project at the end. So after review of the working model, if the customer gets dissatisfied then it causes the serious problems. ठीक है. Next one it is that the core product is used by the customer or undergoes through the detailed reviews. As the result of use and or evaluation a plan it is developed for the next increment. ठीक है. Next increment. Now the next one it is that the rapid application development model. The RAD is an incremental model, software process model that emphasizes a short development life cycle. Short development life cycle using the component based construction. ठीक है. So RAD it is the incremental software process model that emphasizes a short development cycle using the component based construction. Using the component based construction, the using each component based construction approach it will be considered. ठीक है. Now next one it is that this is the rapid application development model. ठीक है. rapid application development model मध्ये काय आहे, कम्युनिकेशन आहे, then planning आहे. ठीक आहे. so this is team 1 that is modeling, then construction, then modeling, construction, modeling, construction. Here the deployment took place. ठीक है. takes place. So integration, delivery, feedback, then component reuse, automatic code generation, testing, then business modeling and the data modeling, process modeling, etc. ठीक है. Now next one, this is the RAD approach activities. ठीक है. so RAD approach activities मध्ये काय आहे, पहिलं communication आहे. so what is communication? It works to understand the business problem. ठीक है. next one it is that the rapid application development model. ठीक है. so rapid application development model मध्ये काय होत असतं, का ह्या 5 फेजेस आहे. ठीक आहे. ठीक है, रैपिड एप्लीकेशन डेवलपमेंट मॉडल. सो दिस इज द रैड मॉडल. ठीक है, so this is the rapid application development model, RAD model. Communication, planning, modeling, construction, modeling, construction, modeling, construction, deployment will take place. ठीक है, now here the next part, it is RAD approaches. Okay, so the RAD approach, it is the communication which works to understand the business problem. Then second one, it is the planning. Planning is essential because the multiple software teams works in parallel on the different system functions. Next one, third one, it is modeling. So the three major phases of the business modeling are data modeling and process modeling. Okay, data modeling and process modeling. These are the three phases of the businesses. So modeling, three major phases: business modeling, data modeling, and process modeling. Next one, it is the construction. ठीक आहे, construction मध्ये काय बघा, it emphasizes on the use of pre-existing software components and the applications. Then deployment मध्ये काय बघा, it changes and innovations are done if required for the customer satisfaction. So deployment, changes and innovations are done in required customer satisfaction. ठीक है, deployment takes place, so it changes and innovations are done if the required customer satisfaction will be happen. ठीक है, now next one, it is that advantages and disadvantages of the rapid application development model. So very first one, it is the advantages. So advantages मध्ये काय दिले बघा, it is useful when the time limit for the development it is too short. ठीक है, so it is useful when the time limit, it is time limit for the development it is too short. Next one, it is that since the reusability is used, many of the program components are already tested. So this overall testing time, this reduces the overall testing time. So all the functions are modularized to it, so it is easy to work with it. Okay, so it is easy to work with it. Okay, so it is useful when the time limit for the development is too short. Then since the reusability is used, many of the program components are largely tested. So this reduces the overall testing time. Next one, it is that all the functions are modularized so that it is easy to work with. Okay, next one, it is a disadvantage. So for the large project, RAD requires a highly skilled engineers in the team. Next one, it is that both the end customer and the developer should be communicated to complete the system in time. So if the commitment is lacking, RAD will be failed. Okay, so rapid application development, it is based on the object oriented programming approach, and it is difficult to modularize the project. RAD may not work well. Okay, so the product may not work well. Okay, next one, it is that the evolutionary models are the prototyping models. Okay, evolutionary models are what? Prototyping models. So here, quick plan, modeling, quick design, then construction of prototype, then deployment and the delivery, then feedback, etc. Okay, so this is the evolutionary models of the prototyping. Okay, now the next one, we will see evolutionary model. What is prototyping? Okay, prototyping, it is one of the important feature. So business and product requirement often changes the development process. The software engineers needs a process model that has been explicitly designed to accommodate a product that evolves over the time. Next one, it is that evolutionary models are iterative models. ठीक आहे, evolutionary models काय असतात, तर iterative models असतात. So it enables the software engineers to develop increasingly more complete version of the software. Okay, more complete version of the software. There are two types of evolutionary development. Very first one, it is that exploratory development. So it starts with the requirements that are well defined. Then all new features when customer proposes the new requirements. Then next one, it is that throw away the prototyping. So here the objective is to understand the customer requirements. ठीक आहे, ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह काय आहे तर कस्टमरच्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स काय करायचे, अंडरस्टँड करायचे आहे. दॅट इज दे ऑफन डोंट नो what they want. So hence the poor requirements to start to use means such as prototyping to focus on poorly understood requirements, predefine the requirements as you are in the progress. Okay. Now next one it is that steps in prototyping. So various steps are given. Very first one it is that begins with the requirement gathering. Second one it is that and identify the requirements. What are the requirements which are to be known? Then third one it is outline areas where the further definition is mandatory. Then a quick design occurs. Then a quick design model leads to the construction of the prototype. Then prototype is evaluated by the customer. Then requirements are redefined. Then product prototype is turned to satisfy the needs of the customers. Okay. Next one it is that advantages. Okay. Advantages, the risk factor it is very low. So with the less investment of the finance and the time, the requirements are confirmed. Okay. Advantages are there. So here the risk factor is very low. With the less investment in the finance and the time, the requirements are confirmed. Okay. Now next one it is that disadvantages. Okay. Disadvantages. So it leads to the implementation and repairing the way of the building system. Practically, this methodology may increase the complexity of the system. Incomplete applications may cause the application not to be used as the full system. Okay. So incomplete application may cause an application not to be used with the full system. Now next one it is that when to use the prototype model. Okay. When you will use the prototype model. So this model should be used when the desired system needs to have a lot of interactions with the end user. So typically online system web interfaces have a very much high amount of interactions with the end users. Okay.